told your friend you're...
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yaje here with another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a refreshing and healthy drink. We are gonna harvest and make some bitter leaf juice. I'm also gonna talk about the amazing health benefits of bitter leaf juice.
Fade away, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Bitter leaf, with the scientific name Vernonia amygdalina, is a popular vegetable in Cameroon, Nigeria, and other African countries. It is known for its numerous health benefits. So these are my bitter leaves, freshly harvested. I'm gonna pick the leaves, wash the bitter leaves thoroughly, strain out the water with my salad spinner over here, and then I'm gonna be using my juicer to juice the bitter leaves. I will also show you what you can do should you not have a juicer, how you can juice the bitter leaves using a blender. That's the water I'm going to be using, and then I have some bottles over here that I am recycling, my kombucha juice bottle. I'm sterilizing it right now with some water, hot water, boiling water. And so yeah, let's get juicing.
And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that.
Even though bitter leaves are a tropical vegetable, I've been growing them in my garden in the United States in Zone 9A for so many years, and they do very well. You can grow them in containers, you can grow them directly in ground. I have so many videos teaching people how to grow bitter leaves. So if you're interested, check out the description box below for links.
You fade away.
Bitter leaf is essentially a superfood, at least in my opinion, because it has so many amazing health benefits, ranging from boosting the immune system to aiding with digestion, lowering blood sugar, reducing inflammation, and detoxifying the body. Bitter leaf has been shown to have a hypoglycemic effect, which means that it can help lower blood sugar levels. So drinking bitter leaf juice can be beneficial for people with diabetes or those at risk for developing the condition.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong.
At this point, we have prepped our bitter leaves and they are ready to be juiced. I'm using my Omega juicer, but if you do not have a juicer, you can do this in a blender as well. So what you would do in that case is just put your bitter leaves in the blender and then add water and blend. If you have something like cucumbers, you can add to that as well. It makes it even more refreshing and even more healthy. The cucumbers you see were grown in the garden by me. And if you use the blender to blend, you would then use a fine mesh strainer or a cheesecloth to remove the pulp. So now I'm gonna juice these cucumbers. That way I can get all of the bitter leaf juice that is left in the juicer. Okay, that's just me. I separated out these because I'm gonna use this to cook my food with. I didn't want to cook bitter leaf soup with cucumbers in it, so now I'm just gonna put this in here.
But I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade.
At this point, we're done juicing the bitter leaves, but it is super concentrated. So I'm gonna be adding some water to it. Make sure the water that you add is very clean water. As you can see, I'm just using bottled water, but you can use any clean filtered water. The dose is actually 1 handful to 1 liter of water approximately. And if you're wondering how long the bitter leaf juice can retain its potency, they say it can last for as long as a month, 1 month if well kept. So if you put this in the refrigerator, it can last you a whole month. At this point, I'm running the juice through that filter you see there. It's a cloth that I bought from Amazon. to remove the extra pulp, the extra fiber to make it even more palatable. So that's it, guys. Bitter leaf juice is not only delicious, but it is incredibly healthy. And drinking bitter leaf juice regularly can help to boost the immune system, aid digestion, lower blood sugar, reduce inflammation, and detoxify the body. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos on how to grow vegetables and for more healthy recipes and tips just like this one. Thanks for watching. Until next time, grow a garden and stay healthy. Bye, guys.
Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile empty.